Hello everybody, welcome back. Let's have a look at some meme coins, including a real random one, AI Doge. It's not random, but on the Patreon I get presented with all kinds of stuff. In fact, no one actually asked me to look at it yesterday. I can't remember the person's name, but they're quite interested in these particular type of meme coins, and fair play. They are very big performers, let's face it. So, but for me, for the most part, I've always shied away from it. I've never really wanted to do it. I did a bit of Doge in the last cycle, but I mean, it's never really been for me. However, it's hard to refuse to do them when the charts look like this. So we'll start with Shib, which is the one I'm already in, which I made a video about this a few days ago, talking about the breakout which is about to happen, and we've got the breakout now. So this is the breakout from the formation. We've also got a pump signal that was generated on the Ichimoku cloud. That's probably played, but we're looking at this golden cross forming probably, I would say, maybe in the next 24 hours, definitely by the end of the weekend, provided that we stay above the 200 exponential. 2,400 Shib sats. The daily's not got an enormous amount going for it, apart from the fact that it's above all moving averages. We can easily come down to 2,360 Shib sats. No, I don't know what to call these things. And the weekly's, quite good if it's not for the momentum slowing. But weekly momentum is a lagger anyway, and so we could easily just be looking for this just to pop straight up after a consolidation's finished. And the targets are, as you can see, we've got three major targets: 2,800, 3,200, and 3,600. Again, these are the obvious targets that are given to us from the breakout of this formation. Obviously, it can go higher than that. I'm just saying, from a trader's perspective, a formation trade like this will give you a top target measured move of this area. That's all I'm saying. It could easily go higher, as you saw it did this time. Now, Pepe is the one that has already made a new all-time high. So Pepe has already literally made a new all-time high. This is the best of the big meme coins at the moment, powering through. At the moment, after making that new all-time high, it just looks like it just wants to come back down for a little bit of a retest on probably the 10 exponential, which is sitting around here just below 1,000 sats. Pepe sats. I don't know what you call these things. And Doge, again, a bit of a lagger, but I wouldn't worry too much about it. We've got pump signals are above all moving averages, so it is a similar setup to Shib, although the formation's not there. The relationship to moving averages and the Ichimoku cloud is there. So we're looking for Doge to move, and Doge, if anything, is going to be the engine that gets them all going. But Shib is my favourite. Now, I was talking about this a couple of weeks ago now, how meme coins are breaking out. I was met on the channel with Vomit. Who are you talking about meme coins breaking out? Oh, how dare you say that? I said it. And I still believe it to be the case. Now, I don't advise people go trading, recklessly, but it's hard to deny something when you see it. And one of my Patreons, and again, you should join the Patreon. We look at all kinds of charts I would never normally look at, including this one called AI Doge, right? All trading on MEXC. There's links in the description for MEXC if you're not already part of that. They have some real pump and dump coins on there. That's where the big moves are going to be in this next cycle. Up and down, so just be careful with it. But yeah, what we're seeing is, just like Shib, exactly like Shib actually, giant descending triangle, huge golden cross, retest of that, breakout. So we'll take it down a notch to the 4 hourly. What else do we have? Just like Shib, we've got the breakout, we've got above all moving averages, we've got the conversion baseline cross, we've got pump signal, we've got it all. And the one thing about this chart that Shib doesn't have is that AI Doge is way smaller. And so when something's smaller, and liquidity, or volume should I say, just comes into the chart, they are notorious for going up a hell of a lot more. So meme coins look good, just as I said 3 weeks ago. Now we're seeing the fruit of that video. And yeah, we are seeing the breakout now, so we can see the breakout. I told you about the breakout, didn't believe me. Now we see the breakout. Do you believe me? Are we waiting for continuation? It's up to you. I believe we are. So I'm just presenting it to you now. Look, it's not the only chart in the world. Look, the ICP trader did the other day, absolutely epic, continuing after the Golden Cross retest. Again, you know, there's alts are moving all over the place. You know, I bought on this, and so far it's up 16%. That's not a meme coin. It's not a meme coin at all. Meme coins aren't the be-all and end-all. It's not the only thing. I'm just presenting to you that there is a setup across the board for Doge, Shib, and AI Doge. And probably Pepe also, just for association. But it has just made a new all-time high. 2 weeks after I made the video, by the way, about that sort of thing. Anyway, there's not much more to say about that, apart from they look good. If you're in it, excellent. If you're not, try and find an entry point, but make sure that your risk management is appropriate. If you're going to trade on MEXC, make sure that you are tolerant to the risk here, because this will likely pump up massively. It looks like if we go up to the top of the descending triangle, that's just short of a 100% move if we were to do that. And then it could go on beyond that. If it breaks down from here, goes to zero or close to it, and the volume dries up, so you probably couldn't even sell a large order. So just remember that when you're trading these sort of things. But I like it. It all looks good to me. And if you are going to trade meme coins, just be aware that they're not real. There's nothing about them that's valuable. It's just one of those things that happens in the world. You're not buying a bar of gold. You know, you're not even buying a share in Apple. You're literally buying digital randomness with a tokenized face of some kind of cartoon animal. That's what you're buying here. So, you know, this is not investment advice. Absolutely not. I would normally refrain from talking about them in the first place, because I know that they're used as a pump and dump mechanism just to make money. It's almost like stocks for kids, isn't it, really? Oh, yeah, but there's money to be made. You just need to be careful that you're the one that's making it and not the one that's giving your money away to the people who is making it from you. Because I strongly believe that that is what meme coins are all about. You know, meme coins are that. They're attractive because they pump. They're horrendous when they dump. Just make sure that you're in it properly to make the money and you're not being reckless, because it's just a facility to drain the retailers of their hard-earned cash, and I don't want to, I don't want that to be you. I would rather you make the money than lose the money. You know, it can happen both ways here, so you just got to be very careful. But like I said, they look okay to me. It looks good. It looks, based on their own charts, they look good. Charts aren't everything though. Right, thanks for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. Like the video, send a comment as well. I need to bump this algorithm up, because I have all these competitors out there that say all kinds of stuff that's not rooted in reality, and people prefer that. I try to stick to reality here, because the reality is what makes us the money. So please, if you feel like you've benefited from it, or you prefer reality to fiction, send me a comment and a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.